I know Brussels sprouts are not everyone's favorite, but this recipe will definitely make you fall in love. So I've actually washed 2 packs of meat, but this is just one, and I pat it dry with a couple of paper towels. I've seasoned it with seasoned salt, garlic powder, chili powder, onion powder, lemon pepper, the doors OPEN. Take the hot road and hop in. First impression. Black pepper. We should be closer than friends. If you OPEN. And I actually measured out my salt. I only used half of that and put the other half on my other pieces of chicken. And then a few pats of butter. Cover that up with aluminum foil, seal it up tight. You're gonna place it in the oven at 410 degrees for 30 minutes. I filled up this saucepan halfway with water, and I'm gonna add a whole stick of butter. And we're just going to chop off the ends of the Brussels sprouts. I just think it tastes better. Rinse them off before you place them in the bowl. I'm using a spoon to put the Brussels sprouts in the water, because if you just plop them in there, you will get juice everywhere. So here we've added a whole tablespoon of salt, a whole tablespoon of black pepper, half a tablespoon of garlic powder, and a handful of bacon bits. You can cook some bacon and chop it up, but I was lazy and used bacon bits. They taste the same. So bring that down to a simmer and cover it and cook for about 15 minutes and let it sit in the pot for about 5 minutes, and voila. They're nice and tender. I can barely poke them with a knife without it sliding off. Oh my goodness, it smells so amazing. I'm just gonna scoop some of the juice on top, and there you have it. If you like this video, make sure you comment, like, share, and subscribe. Until next time.